Alam mo yung feeling na parang ang daming sabay-sabay? Gastos dito, trabaho doon, deadlines, responsibilities, tapos may mga plano ka pang nauudlot. Pero, sa gitna ng lahat, I hold on to this. Matatagpuan sa Biblia, sa libro ng Psalm chapter 16 verse 1. Keep me safe, O God, for I have come to you for refuge. Kahit ang daming unknown, I choose to trust Him. Sa verse 5 ng Psalm chapter 16, Lord, you alone are my inheritance, my cup of blessing. Kahit magulo ang paligid, God is still in control. Hawak niya ang future natin. Matatagpuan sa libro ng Psalm chapter 16, verse 8. I know the Lord is always with me. I will not be shaken, for He is right beside me. Kaya kahit may bagyo sa buhay, steady lang. God is near. And here's the best part. Sa libro ng Psalm chapter 16 verse 11. You will show me the way of life, granting me the joy of your presence and the pleasures of living with you forever. Hindi man perfect ang lahat, but with Him, my peace, my joy, my purpose.